What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I've actually tried to start this vlog about 47 times over the last few days and it just has not worked out. So I am determined to make this vlog work. I feel like at this point, this is definitely going to be more of a one-day vlog, but that's okay because at least I'm getting a video up. So I'm doing my makeup right now. As you guys can see, I already did my hair. I still kind of need to brush out the curls just a little bit, but I'm doing my makeup right now because in about 15-20 minutes we're leaving for Sacramento to go to our niece's school carnival, and I am so excited about it. There's nothing I love more than a good school carnival, especially if they have bingo. Like, I am all about it. So we're going to go do that and kind of spend a few hours there, which, like I said, beyond excited. Recently, I got some new ColourPop makeup. I haven't purchased from them in such a long time, so I figured, you know what? It's time. And I think, is that one of those pressed shadows? Oh, that is so pretty. Can you guys see that? I got this palette, first and foremost. Nice and neutral. It is called Deja Brew. What else did I get? I got a couple cream blushes. I just love their packaging. I got a couple cream blushes. They're really pretty. This first one is in Whole Mood. And then this one is in Angel Energy. That one is so pretty. And what else did I get? Oh, I got this bronzer stick that I have already tried and I actually really love it. And just a bunch of like random stuff. I got a couple lip products. The Ultra Blot lip I love. I got a lip oil. I probably should have done this before I put everything away, but oh, I got this because everybody has been talking about how good this is. I think, is it a body and face bronzer? I think it is. Yeah, face and body bronzing balm. And everyone and their mother is obsessed with this. I love a good bronzing balm or like cream bronzer. Like, I use this NARS one and I love it a lot. This one I have not used yet. The color to me in the pan looks slightly orangey. I don't know how it'll come off on the skin, and I do not like the smell. It smells like coconutty, like very tropical, and that's just not really what I want my face to smell like. So we'll see how I like that. If it's a product where it just smells like briefly and then you don't smell it later on, maybe I can get with it, you know? Anyway, I have started school and it has been a crazy year already. I feel like there's just been a lot of like changes, I would say, like with my students. I got one new student this year and I thought that was it, and then it was definitely not it. I made a swap with another student, or I'm sorry, I made a swap with another teacher. So one of my students was more appropriate for her class and one of hers was more appropriate for mine. So I made that swap. And then there's been a couple other swaps as well. So I feel like just when we start to get like settled in, I have a new student. And every time you get a new student, you kind of have to go over all the rules again, show them the ropes, show them how you kind of like run the class. So it's kind of a lot. Also, after I get back from the carnival, I want to either go to like Trader Joe's or Target or something and get some groceries for the week so I'm set for work. One of my staff and I were like, listen, we need to get back to eating healthy again, like just stay on track. So we're not like really doing it together because I hate when people are like all up in my business. Like if I want to have like a sandwich with like some chips, like I'm just going to account for it, but I can still eat it, you know? So I don't want people like in my business, but I think just knowing that we're both on our own journey of just trying to eat the best we can will maybe help. I don't know. So I need to get some groceries. That is what I was trying to say. I need to get some groceries. I also wanted to share something with you guys that I think you might be interested in if you wear prescription glasses. A company reached out to me not too long ago called HipOptical and wanted to send me a pair. And my first thought was, no, because I don't wear prescription glasses. But then I thought, I was like, I could actually like have Carlos test them out because he wears prescription glasses and he always says like what a pain in the ass it is to order glasses and how expensive they are. So HipOptical makes stylish glasses. Like they are so cute. Glasses or sunglasses, all of which are prescription. I feel like the best part is they are delivered to you within 1 week, like literally within 1 week. When I ordered them for him, they were in production within 24 hours and I actually had them, I think it was like 3 or 4 days, which I feel like is absolutely crazy because I know when Carlos orders, they take like weeks on weeks. I of course did my research before I agreed to work with them, and let me tell you, the company is amazing. Every single pair of glasses on their website is $99. They upgrade every single order to the ultra thin lenses absolutely free, and I know, at least from what Carlos has said, when he orders glasses, there's always some sort of an upgrade fee for this, upgrade fee for that. No. Each pair is $99 and they upgrade to the ultra thin lenses for free. I also love that for every pair of glasses you order, they donate a pair of glasses to someone in need. Like how nice is that? I just cannot get over that. So all you have to do is just hop on the website, pick the frames and lenses that you want, send over your prescription, and your glasses will be in production. I think a member from the team does email out and I think has to get like a picture of your prescription or something, but it is the easiest process literally ever. And you have your glasses, like I said, within a week. So let me show you the pair of sunglasses he got. He is going on a bachelor party like weekend in San Diego coming up, and he wanted a pair of sunglasses for the trip. So he picked these and I think they are so nice. Like they're just so stylish. It's like this like black see-through frame with really dark lenses, which is perfect obviously for the sun. They look so good on him. He loves them so much, and the prescription was like spot on. Another thing about this company is if for some reason the prescription isn't spot on or you're just not really a huge fan, they do have a 30-day money back guarantee. So it's risk-free. Definitely something to look into. They gave me a coupon code for you guys if you would like to try them out. The code is Nicole M. I will leave all of the information in the description box. Definitely go check out HipOptical. I feel like I always have like so many things to say and so many things to tell you guys, and then the second I turn the camera on, it all goes out the window. Like I can't remember one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. Besides work, of course. Work is going good, but I really cannot remember anything else. I hope you guys are all doing well. Anything fun going on in your lives, let me know down below because I would love to live vicariously through you. Okay, I have a feeling this makeup is going to take forever, so I think I'm gonna finish getting ready off camera and I will just see you guys at the carnival. Hi, baby. So we just got home from the carnival, and apparently my closet broke. Like literally the whole thing just tore right off the wall, and every ounce of my clothes is just piled. I mean, if that's not a sign to go through and get rid of stuff, I don't know what is. Right now I'm sitting in front of Trader Joe's. I'm about to go in and get stuff for the week because I just want to be prepped and ready to go for lunches. I feel like last week I did not prep at all and it was just a mess. So I want to get stuff for the week for lunches and snacks, and then also we need to get dinner for tonight. We're gonna do, I think, pasta and chicken and maybe some garlic bread. So let's go in and see what we can find. Okay, as you saw from that clip, I got not like a crazy amount of things from Trader Joe's, but just some staples. I'm gonna make some like chicken salads during the week, and I got a couple like microwavable meals. I know they're not like necessarily the best for you, but they are low cal and like a decent amount of protein. So if I'm in a rush one day, I can just grab one of those. So that is what I got from Trader Joe's. I did get an H&M order in, and everything is for Luca, but I wanted to show you guys anyway. They have like a lot of fall stuff out right now, and I know it's hotter than hell, at least in California it is. But I feel like if you don't get the stuff right when it's on the website, they sell out. So I'm planning ahead. I feel like right now he's in 12-month size, and a lot of this is like 12 to 18 months or 2T. So first thing I got, basics. Pretty much all of it is basics, kind of. Just some white tees, and this came as a 2-pack, and if the prices are on here, I will tell you. Of course they're not. I just remember them being really affordable. I think it was like $10 for 2 white tees. I got this really pretty tee. So like, just neutral, and I love it. Super cute. It has the little buttons. Carlos is fixing the closet. Bless him, because I would not have been able to do that. So thank you, Carlos. Got a long sleeve pocket tee. This one's just beige. And then I love this one. This is like a striped ribbed long sleeve, and it's like a green and tan, and it also has the buttons there. Really cute. And then I got a gray tee. I feel like everything has buttons in this haul. I think the gray tee and this one came as a set, if I remember right. Then I got some little sets that will be perfect for the fall. I got them in 12 to 18 months. First one is this little set. So it's just some like lightweight sweatpants with the crew neck. And then I also got it in this like heathered, like it's almost like an oatmeal color with the crew neck. So simple, so easy just to throw on. Next I got something else with buttons, but look at this little waffle knit long sleeve. It's just so cute. And then I got 2 denim items. First one are these jeans, and they look huge, literally huge. What size did I get these in? 12 to 18 months? Like there's no way. I mean, those would fit me, honey. I just thought they were cute. Obviously I thought everything was cute, otherwise I wouldn't have purchased it. And then this I was eyeballing when I first saw it on the site, and then it sold out. Like I literally added it to my cart and then did not buy it. But it came back in stock, and it's just this denim little like jumper. I just think it's so cute. I don't know. I love it. I love it a lot. And I can see him rocking the hell out of this. I got this in 12 to 18 months as well. So this is not gonna fit him for a while. Like I don't even know if this will fit him come winter. Maybe it will. That was my goal, is like fall and winter clothes. But like some of this stuff looks like really big. But this doesn't have any stretch to it, so maybe it'll fit him come winter. I don't know, but I just thought it was adorable. So that was everything from H&M. I need to actually get on and check the website again, because I just feel like they add stuff all the time. So I'm gonna go check on this boy of mine, who cannot be put down for 2 minutes. Love it, but it also drives me crazy sometimes. So I'm gonna go check on him, and then yeah, I think we're just gonna make dinner. I have some orders to package and just clean up around the house. You know, typical Sunday stuff before you start the work week. So it's Wednesday and I'm at work. I'm on my prep period and I'm just getting some stuff done, but I thought I would show you guys. I feel like a lot of my vlogs are me just showing you guys things, but I feel like if I like love something, I want to share it. I feel like, especially because I know a lot of you guys are teachers as well. So if I have any products that could really just help you guys out, I want to share them with you. So my coworker actually got one of these. It's a label maker that's just like Bluetooth to your phone, and it's so small. It does not take any ink at all. It's like a thermal printer. Like, look how cute that is. The labels come out here, and you can buy, like, these ones are, okay, so these ones are like a specific length, but you can buy the stickers that are like a continuous, just like one long strand, and then you just make the labels like however long you want. They have one with like tie-dye backgrounds instead of just plain white label. They have Christmas ones. Like, how cool would that be to do like for to and froms or your Christmas gifts? Like, this thing is honestly where it's at. So you just go to the app, which is Printmaster, and 12 by 40 millimeter white label. So when you're on the app, this is what it looks like, and you literally just tap and type in whatever you want. So I'll just do Miss Nicole, and you can make it any size you want. You can do different fonts, like these down here are all the different fonts, and they just go on and on and on and on and on and on, and I'm not sure if you can see that, on and on. Like, there are so many different fonts, so I'm just gonna pick one. I'm just gonna do this one, okay? And I'm gonna make it a little bigger, and then I'm just gonna print it. Okay, so I'm just gonna click print, and look, are you joking? Like, it's just perfection. I just love them, and I feel like the best part about this, besides it being so simple, is that these labels are waterproof. So my coworker has 4 kids, and she labeled all of their water bottles for school, like reusable water bottles, and she washes them every single day when they get home, and she's like, those labels are still going strong. So this thing is so amazing. I already have a label maker. I know I've shown it in a couple vlogs before, but I feel like this one is like way easier and more customizable. So I'm definitely going to be labeling all of Luca's drawers, like I have been since he was born, because if anybody is like watching him, I want them to know exactly where to find like the onesies or the shorts or the pants without having to like take everything out of the drawer, you know? So I have like rows of whatever it is, and I like label them on the actual drawer. So I'm gonna be using this for that. It's just amazing, and I think I'm gonna get on and order the Christmas labels as well. You guys, this thing is awesome. My coworker got it in like a teal color. I opted for white, but they have black, they have pink, they have a couple other colors. So I will leave this linked below if you guys are interested in it. It is just freaking awesome. Oh, another thing is, it is so affordable. I think I paid $19 for it, which you cannot beat. So, and it comes with the sticker labels. It comes with like a little like sample roll, but the sample I think has like 80 rolls, so it's a need. It'll be linked below.